ever wish you could get an echo effect when you're recording with your cell phone, when you're editing with Kinemaster? I really don't know how to pronounce it. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't. Or a Power Director, really any cell phone app. I haven't seen a good echo effect for video yet. So I came up with this way. It's a workaround. So say if you want to go echo, echo, do that. If you just wanted a quick slapback, echo, you can have that. You can also do some pretty cool video effects with this. I'm going to show you how to do all of them, like something like that. So if you want to learn how to do that, stick around. Here we go. So we're going to open a new project. We're going to start at 16:9 because that's what my footage is for my camera. I want to find my footage that I just recorded for my camera, and I'm going to import it into my timeline just by clicking it. Now I want to scroll around till I find the place that I want to make the echo effect. There it is. Now I'm going to click the edit, and I'm going to split my timeline right there. Then I'm going to find the end of it. That's about where I want it to stop. Pause it, and scissors again, and split it playhead again. Now I'm going to back up where I want to be, click on the thing, and then on the left, the three little dots on the side, I want to duplicate as a layer. I want to click on that layer, slide it over a little bit, and there I've got my echo. So now that the audio echoes there, I need to remove the video from the file. So I scroll down to alpha, opacity, and turn it all the way down. Now all we have is the audio for the echo. Now, let's say I want to make another echo because, you know, like I did in the clip, I wanted to go echo, echo. All I do is same three dots, duplicate as layer, scoot it over again, and turn the opacity down once more. And we have two echoes. So echo, 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 what you heard in the video clip. Works pretty darn well. And you can do this on any video editor, it doesn't matter. Sometimes Kinemaster reorders your video clips. I don't know why it does it to me, but it does. So now we've got just the audio for the echoes. So it's pretty neat. So we're going to scroll around and we're going to listen and we're going to find our next thing. And there it was. We were wanting a slapback echo here. So it's the same process. Find it, split it at the playhead, and where we want the echo to start, and then we're going to split it again where we want the echo to stop. There we are. So now we're going to our three dots over to the left. We're going to duplicate as a layer, and we're just going to scoot it over a little bit, just a little bit, and then we go in and turn the opacity down. And there we have it, is a slapback echo. Now you can play with this also. You can turn the video, the second video volume louder or softer to give a different effects, to make more of a realistic echo kind of effect. So what we're doing here, we're finding where we want to start our effect. Now we're going to do a psychedelic kind of effect here. And it's with the hands, the psychedelic hands, you know that. So we'll split it to playhead where we want to start, split it to playhead where we want to stop. Now I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to go ahead and do 3 duplications in a row here. So I can go ahead and get my layers in place because I know I want to do 3 of them. And there's one more little trick that we're going to do with this. So if you see, I want to move these video files off to their own to start them out, you know, so that I can start them at different places because we're going to move them around. Now, when I click one, you'll see there's a little key with a circle around it all the way to the left. So when we click a video clip, after we get them in place, I'm offsetting them a little bit so that we can get an echoey kind of effect with them anyway, because this is an echo effect video. All right, there we go. We're all offset. So now I want to click the little key, and I'm going to move them around as I see fit. And I'm going to move the timeline a bit, and move it again. And what that does is put little keyframes on the video so that in that place and time, that video will be there in that place. It'll be that size. It'll be rotated in that way and that kind of orientation. That way, the effect is all nice and smooth, and it has a cool look to it with the video files not only echoing but moving around. Now that's not all you can do to it. You can add a bunch of effects to it. You can add color effects to each one individually, make them all different colors, make them whatever you want to do to it, and that's cool that way. So use your imagination, do whatever you want to do. And like I said, most video programs will let you do this. Now, I think Power Director has a limit on how many layers you can put on, and so does Kinemaster. It depends on your phone hardware. I'm using the LG G7. It's got a pretty darn good processor in it because I haven't had any problem or lag or anything. This is a 1080p video file. It's recorded with the front-facing camera. You see I'm making keyframes where I spin it around and move it around, and you already saw the result. So enjoy this technique. I hope it works out for you. I hope you're able to use it in your projects, and it makes things a little bit better for you. So you get to that blog, that cooler, more up-to-date look. So listen, if you like my videos, if you would, like, subscribe, and stay tuned to see more. You can add all kinds of extra little things there too. I'm doing transitions to those effects to make them a little cooler when they come in and out. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I'll talk to you.